If you've been waiting to try iOS 27, the wait is finally over because iOS 27 Beta 1 has officially been released. And today we're going to look at everything that's new, the biggest changes, the new features, and whether it's actually worth installing right now. So stay until the end because some of these updates are much bigger than many people expected. Let's get started. First, what exactly is Beta 1? Beta 1 is the very first public testing version of iOS 27. It's designed to let developers and early users try the new features before the official release later this year. That also means it's not the final version. Oh, some bugs and performance issues are completely normal. Now let's talk about what's new. One of the biggest improvements is Apple's continued focus on artificial intelligence. iOS 27 expands many of the AI features introduced in previous versions, making the iPhone feel smarter throughout the system. You'll notice improvements in writing tools, search suggestions, and everyday tasks. Another major change is Siri. Apple continues improving Siri to make conversations feel more natural and to better understand context between requests. Instead of treating every command separately, Siri can now handle more complex tasks with fewer steps. This creates a much smoother experience, especially when using multiple apps. The lock screen also receives several updates. Customization has been expanded with additional widgets, more shortcut options, and improvements to notifications. These changes make it easier to access your favorite tools without unlocking your phone. Photos also gets new features. Apple has improved photo organization, search capabilities, and editing tools, making it easier to find specific pictures, remove unwanted objects, and organize your library automatically. Another noticeable improvement is system performance. Animations feel smoother, app switching is faster, and overall navigation feels more responsive. Even though this is only beta 1, many users are already reporting a more fluid experience on supported devices. Privacy also remains a major priority. OS 27 introduces additional permission controls, making it easier to manage which apps can access your photos location, microphone camera, and other sensitive information. Battery management has also received attention. Apple continues refining charging optimization, background activity, and battery monitoring. Although battery life may vary during the beta period, these features are expected to improve in future beta updates. Now, should you install iOS 27 Beta 1? The answer depends on your situation. If this is your main iPhone and you rely on it every day, it's usually better to wait for later beta versions or the official release because Beta 1 may still contain bugs, unexpected crashes, or apps that don't work correctly. Yet, however, if you enjoy testing new features or you have a secondary device, Beta 1 gives you an early look at everything. Apple is preparing for iOS 27 now. Let's be honest. Every first beta is just the beginning. Apple will continue adding features, fixing bugs, and improving performance over the next several months. So what you see today is only the first version of what iOS 27 will eventually become. To summarize, iOS 27 Beta 1 introduces new AI-powered features and improved Siri lock screen customization, better photos, tools performance, improvements, stronger privacy controls, and additional battery management features. Because honestly, this first beta gives us a very exciting preview of what's coming to the iPhone later this year.